Hello? 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 I can't hear. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys a little DIY trick that we do here in store to fix a quiet ear receiver. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in and checking out this episode. If this is your first time here and you guys enjoy all things tech and repair related, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and smack that bell so you're notified on our latest videos. If you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions or need a screen repair, please make sure to reach us at www.mrphonedoctor.com or simply reach us at any of our social media platforms found below. So today we're actually going to be doing a DIY on a quiet ear receiver. So if you guys are having issues with your ear receiver being very, very quiet and you can barely hear anything out of here, this is going to be a nice little solution for you to try at home. So I have two devices here. I have an S10 and an S10 Plus. I'm first going to show you guys what the volume should sound like on a normal ear receiver that's working fine. So let me go ahead and get this one booted up. So if you can hear that, so that is the normal volume tone that this phone should have. It should have a nice loud sound on it. That way you'll be able to hear it at a distance. I'm going to go ahead and show you one that has some kind of debris. It's either got soda or something stuck inside here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys next what a defective ear receiver sounds like compared to this S10 that I just recently did. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the phone and I'm going to go into the receiver menu here. See that? So if you're quiet, you can hear how quiet this one is. Let me go ahead and boot this other one back up just so you can see. So this sound is the defective one. Here is the good working one. So you can see the big difference in this one that's working fine and this one here that is barely working. All right, so the quick trick on this is what you're going to need to use for this is you're going to need 91% alcohol. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use a toothbrush, any toothbrush that you have lying around, and make sure you're going to be throwing it away afterwards or keeping it for other cleaning duties because I don't want you brushing your teeth with this afterwards. So we're going to use a little bit of the 91% alcohol. You can see all the gunk and everything is built up right here on this ear receiver. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of alcohol and a toothbrush on this to remove all that. So one key tip is when using this toothbrush is you do want to actually get these bristles. These bristles are actually thin enough to where you can just tap this here. And by tapping it, what you're going to do is you're going to actually break up the debris and all the gunk in here, and you're going to be able to penetrate these little mesh holes that are here on top. So let's go ahead and we'll begin putting a little bit of solution. I'll just put some right here on the screen, right there on top. And I'm going to go ahead and just dab it. Then sometimes, depending on the gunk, you may need to actually apply a little bit of heat. For this instance, I didn't get my heating plate or anything. I'm hoping that this works well without any heat. If I do need to get heat, I'll just grab my heating plate and throw it on. But just be very, very mindful of the alcohol. You don't want it to get all over the place. And like I said, you do want to be hitting the device down, just tapping down on it. And then you can go back and forth. And yeah, I can actually see right through these little speaker meshes here that it looks like a lot of the gunk actually got cleared up, which is great. So we should have a nice, loud sounding ear receiver after this is completed. And we'll go ahead and do another comparison, comparing the S10, which was working fine, to this one here. So I think that's good. Look how beautiful she is. It's actually nice and clean. So it looks really, really, really good. And I am very confident that this is going to sound a lot louder. Let's go ahead and give it the test. And quiet, everybody, quiet. See that? It's a lot louder now. We can actually hear it without having to put it up to our mic. And once again, we can compare it with this one. And here's the other one. So we're good. We both have good audio now and they are working fine. Alright guys, so that's going to pretty much wrap up my home remedy video. Keep in mind, this can be done on an iPhone and a Samsung, as I mentioned. I really hope you guys got some useful information on how to fix a quiet ear receiver. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe, smack the bell so you're notified on our latest videos, and give us a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. If there's something you guys do want to see in detail, please visit us at any of our social media platforms or leave a comment down below in the description and I'll be sure to get a video out for you guys. Thanks again for all you guys' support, guys. Happy holidays, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.